There are several possible solutions. 3 points should be said. The first, from the main raw material selection, choose one with better liquidity. The following is stated: when the physical and mechanical properties meet the requirements, improvements can be made in 3 ways. The first is to choose a nylon with better liquidity, that is, a lower viscosity. This helps to be fuller when injection molding, so it helps to warp the paint. But this won't be particularly helpful. Secondly, if you are using long glass fiber, then change to short glass fiber. For short glass fiber, it is better than long glass fiber in the longitudinal and the lateral balance. So the warpage of short glass fiber is better than long glass fiber. This may improve, but it will depend on the exact degree of warpage. Thirdly, where performance allows, add a small amount of glass beads. For example, glass fiber at least 30%, with about 5% of glass microbeads to replace the glass fiber. At this point, the third method is more obvious for warpage improvement.